How to log in into your Hotmail account. Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's video I'll be showing you the steps on how you can log in into your Hotmail account. In order to log in into your Hotmail account, first of all, make sure that you have already created your Hotmail account, and then to begin with, open up a web browser of your choice, and on the web address bar type in outlook.live.com. Now by default this is the actual link for an Outlook. So what you need to do is, after you type in this link, it's going to take you to the official site, and once you're on this page, click on the sign in button. If you haven't created an account, you can see right at the bottom you have create account button, so click on it and then log in into your account and then register for an Hotmail account. So then to log in into your account, provide in your sign in ID, that is the address of your Hotmail. So once you're done entering your Hotmail ID, click on next. On the other field, you'll be asked to provide in your password as well. Click on the sign in button. Once you're done entering your information, and you'll be asked whether you want to stay signed in or not. Now click on the yes button if you want to do it, so then you'll be logged into your Hotmail account. This is basically how you can log in your Hotmail account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also make sure to comment down below for any further queries. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.